This is a Yamaha Phazer. I can't remember if it's a 2009 or 2008. Same machine, different year. So, turn the key. I don't hear any noise from my fuel pump. It'll crank. So I'm pretty sure what this is the relay. I think my relay has got moisture in it and froze. So I'm going to use my heat gun. I'm going to get this opened up and I'll show you where the relay is. I'm going to thaw it out and just prove to myself that's what it is before I pull it out and take it in the house to dry it out. So you have to get your side panel out, get it open. Here's your battery. And you can just see one of the relays there. And I'm pretty sure it's the next one up that's the actual relay for the fuel pump. So I'm just going to blow some hot air in there. Give it about 3 or 4 minutes with some hot air and then we'll see if it starts. Well, it didn't take very long, but now all right, so I know that's what it is. I'm going to reach my hand in there and see which one of those is going click, and then I'll know which one I'm pulling. So I have a feeling I'm going to have to pull that battery box out of the way. From what I can see, to get this battery box out of the way, there's a bolt there and a nut right there. So I'm going to take those off and hopefully I can just have this box move forward and then I'll be able to reach back in and grab that second relay right there. Well, I got it out. It was very tricky to do. I got this battery box out of the way, which meant I also had to disconnect that support arm at the bottom. So this plastic panel, if you take this off or at least separate it on the bottom so you can reach up in there, that'll help you. Mine looks like it's broken, so I'm gonna have to reattach it after I put this back together. I'll just flip the sled over on its side so I can work on the bottom. So anyway, this is my problem. So I have a spot on my wood stove I can put things where they dry and don't melt. So I'm gonna set that there for a day and put it back together. But I'm also going to order a replacement relay. They have solid state ones and they don't, I guess, get moisture in them and freeze up like this one does. So that'll be my final solution.